like it does in all areas of activity when people are talking, rampart hypocrisy. In 2012, that's what sustains the system of racism and all other subsystems that have to do with the mistreatment of people, because the system of racism is designed to mistreat people. But people will say, well, racism exists, but really it's negligible. I mean, there are other issues that are more important, but they can't tell you what the issues are. They'll say something broadly like, well, we got economic issues. Well, the racists control that. We got educational issues. The racists control that. We have issues in labor. The racists control that. We have issues in religion. The racists control that. Even here it is many years after Martin Luther King has died. Black people and white people can't get along in the churches. They're not all in the same church. You've got a thing called black churches. There are even campaigns that say, save the black churches. Save the black churches for what? Why don't the black people just go right over to the white churches? Because the white people apparently don't want them there. That's how the black churches came into being in the first place. And religion is very important to people. They will say that. Most politicians will come to the fore. They will come to the podium and say religion is one of our values, one of our supreme values. What religion? What about your religion when it comes to color? Oh, let's not talk about that. I mean, let's just talk about the essence of religion itself. Well, the essence of religion takes into account whether or not you're going to mistreat people based on color, does it not? Well, let's not talk about it. And then the hypocrisy comes in. More than in any area, the hypocrisy comes in, even though the religion is connected with politics. Though you even have hypocrisy when people talk about religion and politics, because they'll say politics has nothing to do with religion, and religion has no place in politics, and stand right at the same podium 2 seconds later and say, in God we trust. It's right on the money. On every piece of coin in the northwestern hemisphere, we have that, and on the paper money. In God we trust. Yet you say politics has nothing to do with religion. Hypocrisy, monumental hypocrisy, every inch of everything. But why? Because of Americanism? No. The reason, the system of white supremacy is the dominant government on